A second.
Oh my goodness. Look at the gap. Look at that gap. We can't wait, can we get the whole gap? Yeah, we can. Can it clear the gap?
Yeah.
Go, Mel, go. Go with Snuggy Bear. Wow, that launched. Let's see who else we got. Excalibur. Oh, it's jumping over Mel. Oh, Snuggy Bear. Oh, I guess it didn't make it. Excalibur.
What's it?
Excalibur. Okay, smile. Smile. Yeah, was that fun? That was fun. I love you. A lot.